Looking for an affordable access control solution for your fitness or gym chain? Disappointed by integrators' estimates for projects, wiring, special locks, SLAs, cards, fobs, and constant staff training? Wondering how to give your members 24/7 access while eliminating membership sharing? Want to offer 24/7 trial access to potential customers with instant activation and quick recall if needed? Concerned about constant news of vendor cloud data breaches and confusing acronyms like BIPA, CPRA, and GDPR? Unsure how to assign 24/7 credentials for new member enrollment without the hassle of distributing fobs, cards, or NFC keys? Interested in giving your members a seamless, non-intrusive identification experience that prevents membership sharing? Need real-time, visualized time tracking for staff, trainers, and contractors? Looking to protect your staff, members, and assets by getting instant alerts when unwanted individuals visit your site? We've got you covered. The FRP Hospitality app delivers 24/7 active member access with real-time visitor identification, self-assigned FaceKeys created for each attendance and automatically destroyed afterward, and cost savings down to just a few dollars a month. The FRP solution is cloud independent, AES 256 encrypted, stores all data on site, and adds an extra layer for areas with the strictest personal data requirements, depersonalized biometrics with automatic per-attendance deletion. Click like if you enjoyed this video and reach out to FRP through the contact form at www.frp.ai.